Gwa kahinda riu ni gukoretwo na ngucanio kiama-ini gia PNU iguru ria kana kiama kiu ni kiingirite kiama-ini kieru kia Jubilee kana SHA. Mwena umwe wa PNU ugite kiama kiu gitinyitanite na Jubilee, no mwena ungi wa PNU urauga kiama kiu ni kianinirwo na gikiingira kiama-ini kieru kia Jubilee. Mwandiki wa kiama kia PNU John Anunda ni atwarite mateta igoti-ini akiregana na kuninwo gwa PNU, no riu igoti ni rigiritie mwandiki wa ciama kunina kiama kiu,
stopping the register of political parties from proceeding with the gazetting of that purported merger of PNU and Jubilee, and we have been direct to effect service on the register of political parties, and we shall be back for hearing on the 6th of October.
Oginya tariki 6 mweri turorete wa 10, gavana wa Meru Peter Munya ni akoretwo akiregana na kuninwo gwa PNU.
Being a member of political parties is supposed to be through free will and choice of the individual. And those are fundamental rights that we are trying to defend that are in our constitution.
Makiria ya uguo, igoti riu ni ritikiritie mucemanio wa ajumbe a kiama gia PNU utafanio tariki 28 mweri ukite.
Meaning therefore the meeting that was scheduled for 28th of October 2016 can now take place.
No ona kuhana oro uguo, muikariri giti wa kiama giki gia PNU John Kamama akiaria na ceceni ya Inooro TV oigite ni marumirire mutaratara uria wagirire kunina kiama gia PNU niguo kiingire Jubilee. Maina wa Wairegi, Inooro TV.